Hello everyone, my name is Clement and I'm the digital specialist for IBM Cloud Private. In today's video, we are going to be talking about ICP, IBM Cloud Private, the overall cloud industry, as well as where it is heading in 2018. If any of you is hearing about Cloud Private for the first time, we have onboarded 150 clients within the first quarter of its launch, and the result of its fast momentum is because of the gap in the market. This shows that there's a huge demand for Cloud Private. So let's get the discussion going as to what we are seeing the cloud journey being. We see three phases of cloud. Most of you started looking at cloud to just reduce costs. Can I virtualize my data center more? Can I offload some workloads to the public cloud? Can I use my compute and data on the tab? And there comes the second phase, where it's more of how can I use it to really reach my customers better, work on more innovative projects, get closer to more modern and more innovation with my programmers as well. And now we are entering into this third phase. It is all about transformation. It is taking what I have and enriching it with new technologies. It is also changing the way I manage my application and the way my core processes work within the organization. So a lot of what we are talking about is how we're getting you ready for the third phase. We are now at a turning point where large incumbent organizations need to be very competitive. In order to survive and thrive, they must innovate faster than smaller, more nimble startups, and digital transformation is an imperative. In fact, 72% of C-suite executives in large enterprises have caught onto this notion and are indeed creating their own disruption. Incumbents have the advantage of two things that smaller startups don't: a customer base and data. Data is critical because it gives companies deep knowledge that can be mined for strategic insights and outcomes. But what they need now are the right set of tools to liberate their employees so they can experiment and innovate to be able to offer new services and capabilities faster than ever before. Developers and IT operation teams are rallying around microservices, containers, Kubernetes, and DevOps principles to deliver innovation at speed and scale. Successful enterprises are adopting these new technologies for new cloud-native applications, as well as modernizing and migrating their existing ones to work together to deliver better business agility. However, not all workloads should operate in a public cloud due to issues such as latency and compliance requirements. Most organizations are adopting a multi-cloud strategy. Throughout industry today, multi-cloud is the dominant model. 8 out of 10 companies use hybrid cloud, with 71% of companies using more than 3 different clouds. If you consider shadow or department level cloud usage, then the average company uses more than 5 different clouds. There are good reasons why, as to different workloads such as regulatory compliance needs mean that both public and private are required. Public clouds enable enterprises to get new values from third parties, new innovation, meta insights, social media sentiment, cognitive and blockchain apps. Private cloud leverages on existing investments to extend the scale, performance, and security of internal data and systems to provide IT as a service to stakeholders. To optimize the benefits of all these cloud environments, it requires a hybrid cloud strategy, and that is the focus of our discussion today. This page provides a list of some of the most important trends to watch this year within the overall trend. Convergence of IaaS and PaaS cloud services. The IaaS and PaaS cloud service models are converging to a single, unified model that combines these services as an integrated IaaS plus PaaS offering, which will disrupt existing markets. Enterprises will transform niche IaaS offerings into hybrid cloud managed hosting offerings that add value across the IaaS plus PaaS spectrum. Technology strategies must understand the opportunities and threats from delivering and consuming cloud services through these historically distinct offerings. AI and IoT use cases drive cloud adoption. Artificial intelligence in the cloud promises to be the next great disruptor as computing is evolving from a mobile first to an artificial intelligence first model. The proliferation of cloud based IoT in the marketplace continues to drive cloud demand as cloud allows for secure storage of massive amounts of structured and unstructured data central to IoT core function. Containers will alter cloud platform and management strategies. Linux containers, popularized by Docker, will be available in every major public and private cloud platform by early 2017. Developers will consume them directly to power microservices development, and this will mean that organizations will be rethinking their PaaS, container orchestration, and cloud management needs. The organizations will have to alter their cloud strategy to accelerate their path to more effective DevOps. In this light, we will be talking about the top 3 use cases which drives the private cloud adoption. Create new cloud native applications. ICP drives enterprise transformation by providing developers with choice of languages, frameworks, runtimes, and services to build cloud native applications and microservices. It also drives innovation based on existing and new services such as blockchain, machine learning, data and cognitive capabilities that developers can infuse into their applications. Modernize and optimize existing applications. For many years, many enterprises have invested heavily in IBM middleware, for example, your WAS, DB2, MQ, etc., which is really the foundation of many of the critical applications which they are built on. With new containerized versions of IBM middleware available through IBM Cloud Private, organizations can optimize those existing investments and modernize the applications that will accelerate future business innovation. Opening up enterprise data centers to work with cloud services. Security and regulatory constraints prevent many organizations from leveraging innovative capabilities that are delivered across the public cloud with API consistency across both its public and private clouds. IBM enables enterprises to securely integrate capabilities from its public cloud with applications developed on-premise within its public cloud. With that, I'll conclude this presentation and I'll be sharing more on IBM Cloud Private in the next video. Signing off, Clement Yeo, and have fun developing.